Okay, Charles, you're pathetic.
He's trying to like strangle himself on something.
Stop it, Mark.
Stop.
I want to kill myself. Can you please shoot me?
No, I'm a pretty crafty person.
Why are you trying to kill yourself?
Because I didn't do anything, bro.
On May 14, 2025, police showed up with a warrant expecting routine arrest, but the moment they made contact, officers already know this guy's ready to make everything harder than it needs to be.
Can I talk to you?
What?
Well, I gotta talk to you. Do you want to step out, or do you want me to shout your business through everything?
Oh, that's cool.
What's that?
It's cool they can know.
They can know? Okay. Well, I'm gonna pop the door open here. Because you got some warrants, okay? So I'm gonna have you step out. Because you have warrants, so I'm gonna have you step out.
How do I have a
I
warrant?
got them at the front here. Okay, step out, or I'm gonna pull you through and you're gonna get more
How do
charges.
I have a warrant?
Because you have 2 warrants that were issued 2 days ago. Step out, or
How are they issued?
I'm gonna pull you through and charge you with more.
Record, Sadie. Sadie, record! Record!
Charles, come outside.
Hey, get on the ground! Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Turn your hands, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
This is assault! Assault!
You have warrants.
Assault!
Put your hands behind your back.
Ow!
I will tase you. Put your hands behind your back.
Ow! I'm not doing
Now,
anything!
put your hand
I'm
behind
not
your back.
doing anything!
I got you.
Ah! Sadie! I'm not resisting!
You are absolutely resisting.
I'm not!
Okay, stop. Put your
Why
hand
are y'all beating
behind
me
your back.
up, bro?
Put your hand behind your back.
Ow! Beating on me!
Put your
Sadie,
hands behind your back.
Ow! Y'all are beating on me!
You're gonna get more charges.
Ow! Why are y'all beating me on me? Y'all still chasing me? Ow!
I'm not tasing you.
Charles, stop it.
Keep tasing me, bro. He has the taser in my back, Sadie.
Yeah, no
And he
duh,
has
because
it
you
on.
keep fighting.
I'm not doing nothing. I wasn't fighting.
You want to fight him?
25,
No.
he's in custody, we're secure.
Shady, you got that all on recording?
Everybody does. You're under arrest, Charles, for multiple felony warrants.
For what?
And now for aggravated
I
battery
didn't do
and
anything.
resisting.
I
Yep.
really didn't do anything. I
You
didn't.
just did. What do you mean you didn't do anything? He's got it all recording and it's all on our body cam. You're telling him to record
Why are
you,
you-
and you were actively breaking the law.
How are you scaring me the fuck out of me? I'm literally scared.
Okay, well, I wouldn't do what you just did if
I
you're scared.
didn't. What the fuck?
I'm just gonna go to 1. Yeah, I'm going to 1 because I don't want to move it too much.
You're going to my court, right?
Yes, relax, Charles. Just relax.
You're showing them that whole video. That whole video. Why is your hand in my back like that?
Because he's
37,
fixing the
1 tased,
handcuffs.
I'm not doing. I never was, bro.
Don't say you would never do anything. We just watched you do something.
Bro, you literally just.
All right.
Oh,
Yes,
literally,
I literally just tried to arrest you for your felony warrants. Yes, that's
No.
my job. I'm a police officer,
That's
Charles.
not what you did. You
That's
literally
exactly
just
what I did.
Shady, did he not just break in?
Oh,
I had you and you
Where,
pulled
do you
back.
have a warrant?
Yes, 2 of them.
Where?
just need help getting my hands.
You
Dude.
told me that whenever I first.
I just said you had 2
No, you
warrants.
didn't.
You pulled away. Yes,
No,
you
you
can
didn't.
run it back
I was opening.
at your next court date if you
I
show
was
up for that one
literally
too.
opening up the
All
slide
right,
box.
we're gonna have you stand up.
Shady, I tell him I was opening up the slide box. Was I not?
No, you weren't. Stand up.
I'm literally.
Stand up.
You literally tased the fuck out of me. I can't fuck out of me. I can't move my legs right now, bro.
That haze doesn't make your legs stop working.
First wax squad card.
What is that do to me, bro?
Ridiculous is this to carry you like a child?
Well, he acted like one, so that makes
Shady,
sense.
keep on recording. Why do you
We're
still
gonna
have
search
your
you right
hand
now.
on?
Stop.
Please get the.
Stop it.
I'm not doing
All right,
it.
let's get a search. Okay, now you're doing something. Stop it.
Please do it. Please do.
Okay.
Please do, gang.
Somebody's bleeding
Why did you just
because I got
fucking-
blood all over me.
Why did
Okay.
you just fucking beat my head against the car?
Okay, Charles, you're pathetic.
You're choking the fuck out of me. They just beat my face into a car.
Hey, Al, if you got gloves on, will you start the first search?
I'm literally
'Cause we gotta get 2
wild as
searches.
fuck.
popped your head. That's fine. I'll bring under us. All right, let's just search him here. Yeah, sounds good. My squad's unlocked. You can get it.
That's what y'all want to do, right?
No, this is what you're making us do, Charles. Oh my
You literally
God.
just beat my face into a car. And now you're stepping on my arm. I hope it breaks.
Don't pinch me.
I'm not trying to.
He tried to grab me earlier.
Shading, record, bro. Trying to.
He tried to grab me earlier.
Shading, record, bro.
We're all recording.
So now you're taking off my pants to make me? Shady, they're taking off my pants, gang. Oh, this is good.
You want me to hobble too or no?
Real fucking.
No, this will be fine.
I hope I have enough bruises to show the court. That's all it does for me, bro. And I would like to press charges on all of y'all. Do you hear me? That was all on my court.
What do you got?
Who was that? I'm gonna put myself.
Maybe? Felt like there was something hard on the.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Okay, cool.
Y'all literally just had to kill me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it myself. Dude literally just walked me with a taser on my side, man. Can you take me again, actually? One more time?
All right.
What side are we going in?
We're gonna go in passenger side over here.
I would get up and walk. It's kind of hard when it was.
Get in. Oh, that thing has stopped me before. Okay.
Shady, I would like reported by my witness.
He's trying to like strangle himself on something.
Why are y'all beating me?
We're not beating on you.
You literally shoved my head into the car door. It's all I'm recording on my.
You're trying to.
So he's trying
My
to
goddamn-
strangle himself
It's
with the
on
car
my
seat
goddamn phone.
or the seatbelt.
It's on my goddamn phone. It's all over my goddamn phone.
Yes. Yeah, he's going straight to jail.
Go put your head under here. Stop it. Stop it.
Can you please? Did you find me again? Is that what y'all trying to do?
All the seatbelts are down now.
Are they though? I'm a pretty crafty person.
Why are you trying to kill yourself?
Because I didn't do anything, bro.
Hey, you have warrants. And then you resisted. You definitely resisted. Do you remember
didn't.
resisting?
I was trying to unlock the slide lock.
No,
I
you
had to
weren't.
shut the door and open
No, you
it.
weren't. No, you weren't.
Yes, I literally
Because I opened it
was.
without you unlocking it.
That was the screen door, sir.
Yeah. The other door was unlocked too.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah. Yep. Because then you hid behind the door too. Remember that? When you hid?
When y'all
Tried to
were
crawl
trying
into the
to
corner?
shoot at me,
Yeah, because you were resisting
I wasn't
and pulling
resisting.
away with
I was
felony
trying to
warrants.
I was literally trying to open up the doors. Y'all literally just beat the shit out of me. And it's all over my stepdad's phone, my adopted dad's phone.
Okay, cool.
And
It's all over our body cams, too.
He'll be
What
at court. Hey, he'll be at court.
Okay, cool. Take it to court.
We're on our body cameras.
Go for it.
Prove it. Y'all just turn the bitches on.
Well, they flash on the top so you can't see them.
And that's why my nose is all bloody. Right? Because y'all didn't beat the shit out of me. It literally is all on my stepdad's phone. Have fun in court.
What is y'all doing?
Let go of the seatbelt.
I don't have hold of the seatbelt, bro. Knock it off. I'm not.
Yeah, I got this one.
Y'all cannot do that.
Stop. Stop.
Ah!
Stop, Mark.
I'm gonna kill myself. Can you please shoot me?
No, that doesn't work like that.
I want to kill myself. Can you please
It doesn't
shoot
work
me?
like that.
I'll shoot my damn self.
No, you won't.
Give me the gun. I'll show you. Boom. Y'all think that does shit, bro? Why is y'all beating on me?
Let this one go now.
He's behaving himself now.
Since y'all want to beat on me so goddamn bad, I'll just beat my own damn self up. What?
Stop it. Do you not understand what you're doing, dude?
Literally,
You're acting like a stupid...
You're the one who shoved my head into.
No.
You're the
You
one-
know that you're doing it. You're playing it up. You're trying to
I'm
get
not even
attention.
from out here.
I don't care where you're from. That has nothing to do with the way that you're acting.
Your body cam's not on.
Okay. Well, you're clearly stupid. So let's try this again. Okay. Sit
Okay.
down.
I do.
Stop banging your head against things.
No, thank you.
And stop trying to kill yourself. on the seat.
Why did y'all beat me up like that then? Y'all seemed like y'all wanted to kill me then.
Okay. Well, you were resisting, so we were taking you into custody.
I didn't.
All
I
right.
was trying to open up the door all the way so y'all could talk to me properly. Y'all had no right to do that. And I would like to see a supervisor. Officer, it's all on recording.
I've been here the whole time.
Can you go look at the video that's on my...
time, so stop.
Okay. Well,
Now it's time to be an adult.
we'll testify that in court,
You're gonna
bro.
go to jail.
We're
so
gonna
it's time to be an
testify that
adult.
in court.
So stop banging your head.
We're gonna testify that in court, bro.
Oh, we're going to.
We will, and he will be there, and he's gonna show them that whole video.
It doesn't matter. If he's clearly not going to be any more compliant. It's daily compliant.
To protect and serve, huh?
Yeah, well, you know, when you act like that, this is
I didn't do
No, you did
nothing.
the entire time.
I
You
tried
fought
to.
the entire time.
I didn't.
the entire time.
Y'all were beating on me.
No one beat on you. The way you acted, you got
Shady, you got the video, right? Look at my nose. They slammed my head against the car, bro. I'm fine, bro, but they just beat my. You just watched them beat me up.
I understand.
When court will be tomorrow, right? What time?
I have work.
Okay.
You're gonna have to call out Shady.
Just relax. Look at me, just relax.
They just beat the shit out of me, bro. While they were walking me from your front steps, they had their hand around my throat, bro. So, I hope y'all have fun in court. Close the door, please. Have fun in court. Close the door, please. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna drive with it all the way open like that?
No, when Officer McCall transports you to jail, I close the door. But until then, you can't be trusted.
Oh, you're talking about, you're like, the one who put it in his own, front of
you
his
when you
own
slammed
car?
your head in there? That
I
was really
didn't do
smart.
that.
Well, it's all on camera, so.
And your man's head was on the back of my fucking hair.
You literally slammed your own head in there, yeah.
I didn't slam my own
did,
head into
so.
that shit.
Okay.
It's all on recording,
You're
officer.
right. That's good. There's no need for you and I to talk about it.
Just see me in court, bro. There's a police camera right there.
There's like 9 cameras right here, so.
None of those cameras were on.
Hey, Charles, all the cameras were on. They were
No,
on
they
the
weren't.
whole freaking time.
What is that supposed to do? Oh, yeah.
Dude, stop.
No, thank you. Fucking weird ass.
Oh yeah, at least one. Charles, stop hitting your head.
Y'all already did it to me.
Stop hitting your head.
Why did y'all do it to me in the
You're
first
on
place?
camera, dude. Stop it.
I hope I die. I hope I fucking die of like some traumatic ass shit because y'all just fucking did some illegal ass shit. And y'all know y'all did. See me in court.
Stop hitting your head, dude.
No, thank you, officer.
No, thank you.
Y'all slammed my head against the car door. I was at the last moment of giving a fuck already. This is it. I'm done. I don't give a fuck. I'll kill myself in jail, here, or in my fucking goddamn house. I'm done for. I'm gonna kill myself. Thank y'all for that. Thank y'all for making the rest of my day.